Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can create or add a dotted line to your designs on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to this example Instagram post here and show you how it's done. You will need to navigate to the Elements tab on the left hand side, then navigate to Shapes, and here next to Lines click into See All. So one way would be to choose that preset dotted line here. Left click into it or drag it onto your design. So let me position it just slightly below that Instagram post title, and then you will see that default dotted line. So you can use these handles here at its end and beginning to make it longer, for example, by left clicking into it and holding your left mouse, or you can change its angle like this. If you'd like to stabilize it, make sure that you press left shift on your keyboard, and that is going to add a line like this. There's also the option, guys, to customize a solid line like this and to convert it into a dotted line as well. So left click into it, position it. Let me position here above the title, and then you will see these line customization or formatting options at the top. So click into stroke style and switch from solid to dotted, and then you may also customize the stroke weight. For instance, if you'd like to make these dots larger or smaller, and you can also change the stroke color here on the left hand side by using that either that color picker or from that slider here. And as you can see, these dots are now green. And yeah, that's basically it. You can use the same option, for example, for arrowed lines like these here, or add line starts and line ends as arrows to your lines here. Of course, there's always the option to insert a text box and to use these dots or the dot key on your keyboard to add a dotted line like this. If you like that method, you can use that as well and highlight that text or these dots, change their color here for the font color, for example. Yeah, change the font size to make these dots larger. So that's the third option you can use here, guys. So that's how you create a dotted line on Canva in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.